Hi guys, today we talk about Google Pixel 8 Pro versus ROG Phone 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $999. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,199. The body dimensions: Google Pixel 8 Pro, height 6.4 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The ROG Phone 8 Pro, height 6.45 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Google Pixel 8 Pro have 213 gram weight and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 225 gram weight. The build: Google Pixel 8 Pro and the ROG Phone 8 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. Both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16mm color and the ROG Phone 8 Pro LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size: Google Pixel 8 Pro 6.7 inches, the ROG Phone 8 Pro 6.78 inches. The resolution: Google Pixel 8 Pro 1344 by 2992 pixels and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 1080p screen resolution. The Google Pixel 8 Pro PPI density 489 and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 388 PPI density. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 165Hz refresh rate. Google Pixel 8 Pro 87.4% screen to body ratio and ROG Phone 8 Pro 88.2% screen to body ratio. The both mobile come with Gorilla Glass with +2 protection. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 2500 nits peak of brightness and the Google Pixel 8 Pro 2400 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup: 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's record 4K 60 fps video. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with triple camera setup: 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto. And it's record 8K 30 fps video. Let's talk about front camera. The Google Pixel 8 Pro 10.5 megapixel front camera with 4K 60 fps video record and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video record. The platform: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Nokia Cortex-X3 CPU and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with octa-core with Cortex-X4 CPU. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Google Tensor G3 4nm chipset and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Immortalus G715S GPU and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU. The both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory setup: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB RAM and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 16GB and 24GB of RAM. Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. Google Pixel 8 Pro and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup: Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 5500 mAh battery. Google Pixel 8 Pro 30W fast charging and ROG Phone 8 Pro 65W fast charging. The wireless charging: Google Pixel 8 Pro 23W wireless charging and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 15W wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same and ROG Phone 8 Pro have gaming trigger. The result of these devices: the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 21 points and the same ROG Phone 8 Pro got 21 points.